Cheryl Legare is an award-winning attorney and partner at the law firm of Legare, Atwood & Wolf. After achieving a BS in sociology and an MA in social work, she went on to attend the Georgia State University College of Law, where she graduated magna cum laude in 2002.
My father always said, "You're going to be a lawyer because you're stubborn." I'm like, I'm not sure what being stubborn has to do with being a lawyer. I chose social work first. The reason I chose to go back to law school is I realized as a social worker I didn't feel like I could get as much done as I could as a lawyer systemically. And so that's why I'm where I am today.
Cheryl's practice focuses on representing employees in all aspects of employment law. Prior to founding Legare, Atwood & Wolf, she represented employees at one of the largest plaintiff employment firms in the Southeast and worked for two large national firms counseling management on employment law and defending employers.
I hired Cheryl initially, it was 12, 13 years ago, and we worked together successfully for 6 or 7 years, I believe, and then she decided, as many people do, that she wanted to start her own firm, and I think she's done that very successfully as well.
It's fun to start your own business. It is painful at times, nerve-wracking at times, but it's been fun, and it's been fun because we've done it with the people that we've done it with, and Cheryl's certainly a big component of that.
She's a fierce litigator, for one thing, and I think anyone who has litigated against her, who has tried a case against her, knows that, and certainly by reputation.
She is very, very dedicated to her clients. You can see it just as you walk past her office and hear the way that she talks to her clients. You can see it in the way she talks to other lawyers about her clients. You know it from the first time you talk to her. She's just very dedicated to what we do as plaintiffs' employee rights lawyers.
I mean, she's an advocate for employee rights, and she's an advocate for all of the organizations that she's in. I mean, as an advocate, as a person who speaks out and speaks their mind, and who is a champion for individuals, a champion for their clients, a champion for their loved ones, a champion for their organization, and she embodies that.
Cheryl has been involved in the Georgia Association of Women's Lawyers since I've known her, and has been very, very active and very involved in mentoring lawyers, particularly women lawyers, in teaching them how to bring cases, how to do the things that we do.
Cheryl dedicates a lot of her time to the Mentorship Academy and helping young lawyers advance their career, not only through networking opportunities, but also giving them a role model, giving them an example to emulate. One of the ways that her mentorship has benefited me in particular is she encouraged me to participate in the NELA board, and so I applied for that a couple years ago and have been on it ever since. And even though Cheryl is not on the board right now, she still is actively involved in a lot of the projects and goings-on of that board in a way that clearly it was time for us to recognize all of her achievements.
She is a very gifted lawyer, and it's hard to be gifted in what we do, because sometimes even when you're gifted, it is, trust me, not rewarded.
You are a great example for other lawyers on what a well-rounded lawyer in our profession should be, and more specifically, what a well-rounded civil rights lawyer should be.
You're an impressive attorney, you're an impressive person, and we all love and care about you, and just hope for the best.
Congratulations. Nobody deserves it more than you.
You've been an amazing resource for all of us in NELA over the years, on our listserv and in person. So I just want to thank you for all your help, and I want to say congratulations. It's well deserved.
I'm so grateful for all the people that I work with in the National Employment Lawyers Association, the Georgia chapter specifically. It's such an honor to be chosen for this, because so many people in NELA are my mentors and my idols and the people I try to be more like every day. So thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we salute Cheryl Legare.